FX Nation, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And in this video guys, we're going to take a look at what comes with mentoring. What exactly do you get when you join FXN Mentoring? Alright, so we're going to go over that in detail guys, because I've been getting so many emails about it. So here's a video to answer all your questions. So without further ado, let's get this started. And we're going to talk about our 12-week mentoring program overview. We're going to talk about every aspect, essentially what comes with the 12-week program. I know that we get a lot of questions as to what exactly do we get, for the mentoring program, what's included, what's not included. So this video basically is going to answer those questions for you. All right. So let's just go ahead and just jump right into it. Essentially the first thing that we get obviously is going to be the 12-week program. So what is the 12-week program? Essentially the 12-week program is basically where we take our strategy and how we trade, and we basically break it down week by week into 12 weeks. Okay, every week there's going to be a different lesson covering a different aspect of the strategy. Okay, so we go over the entire strategy over the 12-week program. So every Monday there will be a new video that is released essentially to you guys to access. That video will cover a certain lesson plan for that week. Okay, for example, let's say on one week you'll have a lesson plan that covers only cycles. So you'll have a video that really breaks down cycles, market maker cycles. Okay, after each video you will basically have homework to complete and turn in by the end of the week. Some weeks you will have test, some weeks you will not have test. Okay, you will have a final test at the end of the 12 weeks. All right, but every week essentially you get a new video covering a new part of the strategy, and so we're basically covering every little aspect of the strategy for you, and giving you time to basically get the information and actually learn that information first before going to another week and getting a new lesson. So we don't want our students to basically just watch videos and then go from there. I mean, you can pretty much do that on YouTube, right? So we want you guys to really understand what's going on with the strategy and how to execute that strategy to perfection, right? So the only way that you can do that is to break this down into sections, and every week focus on one section at a time, and that basically at the end of the 12-week program everything comes together for you, to where essentially you're able to put everything together into one trading strategy and essentially start trading. Okay, now once the 12-week program is over with, there actually is an advanced course that comes right after it. So after the 12 weeks course is over with, you're going to go into an advanced course, and the advanced course, basically consider it like an achievement unlocked, right? So once you pass your final test for the 12-week course, and you pass your test, essentially the advanced course is unlocked, and basically you can go through the advanced course. What the advanced course is basically we go over any little aspect in extra fine detail that we did not go over in the 12-week mentoring course. We go over specifically different kinds of trade setups that are more profitable than others. We just take it to a whole nother level, guys, when it comes to the advanced course. Okay, so there's only so many things you can basically cram into the 12-week course, because if not, it'll just make it very drawn out, and the videos would be 4 hours long, and it just wouldn't make sense. So the advanced course covers basically what we did not get to cover in the 12-week course, and we also get to cover a lot of things that we just normally would not cover in the 12-week course anyways. But so that's what the advanced course is there for. How many videos are going to be in the advanced course? The advanced course actually is still being produced as we go. So there could be 20, 30 videos. I don't know. It essentially is until we get all the information that we need as possible. Every new week there's a new video that's released still to this day on the advanced course. Okay. So next up is going to be one-on-one sessions. So the one-on-one sessions, basically how that's going to work with our program is you get one-on-one session at the very beginning. You get one-on-one session in the middle of the 12 weeks, and then one at the very end of the 12 weeks. So you get 3 one-on-one sessions with me. One at the beginning, one at the middle, one at the end. Basically, kind of at the beginning to set the expectations, right? In the middle to check up on how it's going for you, and then the last one basically is making sure you understand everything that you've learned, answer questions obviously throughout the 3 sessions, and basically get you looking forward to your trading career. Okay. Next up is going to be trading sessions. So we have trading sessions every week that we will have. We will have trading sessions every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And so what I mean by trading sessions is we'll have an open room, essentially, where you can come in, like call it a trade room, essentially, where you can come in, and every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, we'll be there and we'll look for trade setups. Okay. Now some days there'll be a bunch of trade setups. Other days there won't be any trade setups. So obviously the trading sessions, as far as trade setups go, it really depends on the market. And so sometimes there's going to be 5 or 6. Others there's not going to be any. It just depends. Every day is going to be different. Okay. But every week we will have trade sessions every Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And as far as what sessions we cover both the London and US sessions. So some days we'll do London session, other days we'll do US session. We kind of go back and forth depending on how many students actually trade the US session versus how many students actually trade the London session. So we do cover both sessions either way throughout the week. Next up is group mentoring sessions. So what's going to happen is every Sunday, okay, every Sunday we're going to have a group mentoring session. So everybody will be basically in a group setting. We'll all be in a call together, and essentially that's our time to basically answer any kind of questions that you guys might have over the week's video. Any questions regarding homework, test, anything at all that you guys have as far as questions wise, this is going to be the session that we answer those questions with every single week. So every Sunday we have these group mentoring sessions, so we can answer all of your questions. Now, the sessions are recorded and are uploaded to our mentoring website. So if you're not there or if you're not available, scheduling wise for the sessions, they'll be recorded and then they will be posted to our mentoring website. Okay. So next is custom indicators. So you're going to get a set basically of custom indicators that's going to allow you to basically trade how we trade, and you're both going to get them on both MT4 and TradingView. Okay, so custom indicators for MetaTrader 4 and custom indicators for TradingView. You'll get both of those. So either platform that you use, you'll be able to trade just perfectly fine with it. Next up is our mentoring only group chat. So we have a specific Telegram group chat for only mentoring students. So it's not the regular chat that everybody has access to. It is just for mentoring students only, and I'm most active in that specific chat room compared to the other chat room where there's over 1,000 people in. Okay, so you'll have access to the mentoring only group chat room, where we all help each other, obviously answer questions, since everybody's basically on the same page, you know what I mean, and learning the same thing. The language is all the same. So when we ask questions in that mentoring only chat group, everybody knows essentially what you're talking about. So it's not some surprise of what's this, what's that. Everybody knows essentially what you're talking about, so we can help each other, and we help each other grow and trade. Especially if you're not available to show up to any of the trading sessions or anything like that, you can ask questions in there. So there's a lot of benefits that come along for that mentoring chat group that we have. Next up is trading plan. So this is very important. Without a trading plan, guys, there's really no reason for you to be trading. Your trading plan is basically your GPS into your trading. So we help you develop a trading plan. We actually have a template specifically for the way that we trade. So it's not the template that's in our free website. It is a template that I created for us specifically for the mentoring group. And then you can basically take that template and you could add to it depending on what your rules you want them to be, or you can remove some from it. It's completely up to you, but at least it gives you basically a ground floor to stand on when it comes to your trading plan, and then you can kind of fill it in from there, add it or take away from it however you see fit to fit your trading strategy as far as trading goes. Okay. And then next up is going to be a backtesting custom journal. So we have essentially a custom journal that we've created specifically for the mentoring group that will allow you to input all of your information when you're backtesting your currency pairs that you want to trade. Okay. So you'll have access to that custom journal that basically has everything pre-selected for as far as what you should be looking for when you're backtesting, and it literally just allows you to collect the data very simply and very quickly. So that backtesting custom journal is hugely important when you're backtesting our strategy. All right, guys. So I hope that video answered all of your questions as far as what do you get for joining our mentoring program that's 12 weeks long. Okay, so I hope that answered all your questions, guys. If you're interested in joining our next mentoring class, all right, the next class starts January 6, 2020. All right, so right at the beginning of the year. So if you want to sign up, guys, there's going to be a link, the first link in the description of this video. Go there and you can go ahead and sign up and secure your spot. Guys, there are only going to be 20 spots available, okay, for this. So 20 spots available for this next round of mentoring classes. So make sure that you secure your spot. I believe right now, as this video is being recorded, there's only 15 spots left. So if you want to get to this next class, go ahead and click the link below and go ahead and join us in the next mentoring class. All right, guys, until next time, have a great rest of your weekend.